Here we are back again in the Lauterbrunnen Valley, and as you maybe can see, they got more snow than up in Mürren, and the reason is simple. In Mürren they had more wind, so the snow blowed away, gell? And in the valley there is less wind, and so that's why more snow is on the ground and on the roofs. So ist das. Jetzt will ich runterfahren, das Buschi kommt. It looks amazing, so winterly. Huh? Love it. It looked so different yesterday. Everything was grey and the street was bare. Sagen wir so auch mit der Straße? Nein, the road, not street. Es sind ja immer die roads on the countryside, haben wir gelernt. Gell? Streets ist für die City. Ja. Ja, Lauterbrunnen Valley. Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. Oops, wiggle. And there is more snow coming in the night. Well, during the day and in the night. I drive slower than I usually do because you don't know if the ground is slippery. Then when you have stopped the car, so you slipper around. Yeah. And we don't like to have an accident. Jetzt haben wir noch einen, der hinten dran klappt. We have a chaser, so we let the chaser go through. Come, house. Yeah. I take it easy, weißt du? Ja, Eigermilch, sonst wird Milch schlecht. It's transporting milk, so he needs to go faster because otherwise the milk becomes bad. Yeah. Milk service. Is dat echt Schneeschuifeln auf Englisch? How you call doing like the man there with the Schuifel? Moving snow? Or how you call this in English? Schneeschuifel. We call it Schneeschuifel in Swiss German. Ja. Irgendeiner weiß es sicher. Huh? Someone will know it and write it in a comment, please. Gell? So we all can learn. Snowy drive to Lauterbrunnen. Next stop, Lauterbrunnen. The temperatures right now is -1 degree. It's not that cold. It looks colder, gell? Curve, we have to slow down a little bit. I'm a very careful driver on snow. Well, anyway, I'm a careful driver, but on snow, I'm on the careful side. For others, I may be too slow, but I don't care. You have to drive how you feel safe. Weißt du, was ich meine? Ja, du musst immer so fahren, dass dir wohl ist. The waterfall is frozen, of course. Staubbach voll. Frotzen. Siehst du, er tut den Schnee schaufeln. You can't see the road. Where it stops and where it begins. In Switzerland, it's always a good idea to have a 4-wheel drive. Everyone is am Schneeschaufeln da. On the right there is the train station of Lauterbrunnen. Ah, train is coming. Look da, rechts. Now we go into the parking and we go hiking a little bit with Rasta. Huh? Kom, allez, allez. Hoi! Come, see? Hop, 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 hop. We're hiking now in the Leiterli in the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Yeah, one of our favorite hikes here. Ja, how's Ali? Yeah, Rasta's second birthday present. How's Ali? 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 How's? Hop, Ali? Woo! Kom, hygge. Kom, hast. Vale. This is how I like winter. Everything is covered in white. So now a little bit fitness. We go up, very steep. Hey, wobbly. Kom, ærlig, ærlig. Where's that? Nå? Ja, om. Ga zo spankly. Ga sofa. Good boy. Good boy. The Lauterbrunnen Valley. In the winter, closed. Yeah, I think it's cool, huh? Normally Rasta is not able to go in this area because there are cows everywhere in summer and spring. But today, with some snow, yeah, it's cool. I love it here on days like this. You know why? No one is around. Rasta, honestly? No one is around. Sometimes you meet someone with another dog or a jogger. Yeah. But that's it. Girl? Now the best part of the hike is coming. where you can see clearly the village of Lauterbrunnen with the church, train station. Yeah, the view. So that was a nice trip to Lauterbrunnen and a nice hike. And the next stop is Grindelwald.